This is part 2 in the playlist of the chuck adapter for the rotary table. In this short movie I'm illustrating how I'm cutting the thread onto this part of the flange adapter. You'll notice, or you might notice, that there's a little bit of black around on this. What that is, it's actually Koki pen which I put on there that I can see better. I also realize that things are a little bit dark in here at the moment. Unfortunately, I find if I put more light onto things, the metal really glares, and it seems to be even worse. So I'll try and demonstrate things like this. What we've got here is a thread cutting tool on the carriage of a lathe, and the spindle of a lathe is now geared in an appropriate ratio with the carriage to cut a thread that has 16 turns per inch. So what basically gets done now is that the tool gets slightly advanced, in this case approximately 500ths of a millimeter, and then I rotate the spindle by hand, and you should see now how the tool moves forwards and actually cuts the thread. So about 500ths of a millimeter of metal is cut away. I now move the carriage rearwards and move the spindle backwards, which takes the tool to the beginning of a thread again. And then I go back to the position where I was earlier on. You can't see that on the scale. I can. I basically advance the tool an additional 500ths of a millimeter, and then again cut like another pass. This way the tool runs into the correct position of a thread every time, and so I continue until I've got the full depth.